Manakin Nature Tours was found 11 years ago by a couple of Colombian biologists, Andrea Borras and Luis Urueña. So Manakin is a Colombian birding and wildlife company with vast knowledge of Colombia and Latin America, as well as being 100% committed to the safety and the satisfaction of our participants. Our main objective is to offer the best quality service and ensure that the experience of viewing birds and nature is important in the most biodiverse region in the world, is enjoyable, memorable, and successful. Manakin have a large variety of established itineraries, but we always endeavor to personalize our trips according to the needs and reach of each participant. We offer the best options for transportation, accommodation, and cuisine that can be found in each of the countries in which we operate. We work with professional Latin American guides, all of them grown in Latin America, very young, friendly, fun, and extremely passionate about birds and nature. Our guides know every area that we visit perfectly and have excellent connections with the local people, which is very important. So when the people travel with us, as well as being treated as our most important participant, each one of them. So we hope that you become a good friend for Manakin in the future. Our aim is to offer the best service, adventure, and bird watching and photography opportunities for those people who love nature, especially birds. For years, we have explored different places in Latin America, including the most remote and inaccessible areas, constantly searching for new, better location in which to carry out our activities. We continue to motivate more and more people towards the creation and growth of new reserves, supporting local bird watchers and involving the community in such a way that the services offered to our participants are constantly improving. We have selected a team of biologists and guides with experience in birds and wildlife who work 24 hours, 7 days a week, traveling around the country, and who have, over the course of years, developed the skills, the abilities necessary to offer an incredible experience whilst demonstrating their professionalism and charisma in the field. As Colombian company, we have the ability to offer the itinerary and logistics that match your needs. So we adapt to the requirements of each group with the capability and flexibility to be able to offer personalized service, meaning that a tour in hands or Manakin Nature Tours goes smoothly.